with the man Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
Media Rusie, Aradia Boamio, Aboni for Tedria Mabua, Mamini Sony, Nada, and Menigia.
Eradina, on Warana, all ready mothers and Ibera sobre Maya to Passion.
My empire, but your four, oh, only be a mobo. So be free, but in why papa and Kabe won't say, and Yamitis.
We are my family, more France, and your bedroom in Penny, yes. Dear Bakuna, me will done in 7 young people, so give me more. What a bear, why I ain't yo. Minamie, one mama siri, or him, why I ain't yo. Oh, mommy, Nisio, and I mention. Oh, what a bear, why I ain't yo. Wa mama siri o hinkesie wa yeyenyo o maminisio adani benje
Akwa masidenya wa mami hu esaneno erande yemi free o ye mama ni penyina fremi shiraba
Mami to me ready unio na ni to me bro to me naso aponko ni aponko sitifu ni nara Yesu akawa
What we was our doyemo Bakuaji woman Yes in your betty
This is Adum FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Passion in your baby ready Yes somewhere home be white The baby was someone of Karimo and watching and as soon dear Quino What a bear why I yo Minamie wa mama siri O hinkese why I yo O maminisio adani menje O batambe wa yeyenyo Minamie wa mama siri O hinkese wa yeyenyo O maminisio adani menje
Ofia Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
Eja wakwache womei Oni eja nompa mwapambi na wama na bem yenchiri menreso
Iradiani ya mwade Mwani yenchu chanje fo Odi nyumfa from ya shayanone Yenyanko pong Dombere mano Yewa watani wa ya fuwadi yasi Nawa huwehi ya fuwa mwabo Oshadi ya komodenu frumu Amati mwadi fuwa mwana mane
I cry now on you say Israel kukuli Usano nyuma chirese Ubeni wa Ani usera
What a bear, why I ain't yo Minamie wa mama siri O hinkese, why I ain't yo O maminisio, adani menje O what a bear, why I ain't yo Minamie wa mama siri O hinkese, why I ain't yo O maminisio, adani menje O what a bear, why I ain't yo Minamie wa mama siri O hinkese, why I ain't yo O maminisio, adani menje O what a bear, why I ain't yo Minamie wa mama siri O hinkese, why I ain't yo O maminisio, adani menje Ship, 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 ship,
Ofia Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
What can
Check it out time now, 32 after 3. Utie 106.3 FM. And I am Monday, the 4th day in the first month of the year 2021. That's January. Yes. Now officially yama munyina aha ensama munyina kwaba emra ofie kwanso dwumedie so adom 106.3 FM. Media medical ni mwashia in 2021 because on the 1st of January I was here with you on New Year's Day. But ena officially ofie kwanso proper pa no ye bi mu what I say. Enti Rebecca and I say we and the maiden edition of the show in the year 2021. Enti amai na ho akwaba pa. Na the omunu say ya shase ano. Yes. Enti before you ba be breaky for the festive season o make catch you say enema ne bebre ho na be yi fi program no mu. Na ye de agya hom ye kenti be more of enwom a na ade tone na ndamu kakra na fe ye resume a eno so na enwom ni rewre mu a na ade tone so mu a na fe ye san de segment out do no hyehye mu akopem se ebe san aboma eti na ya sha se e be rewre mu kakra sa akopem se ebe boma. Yes, muni abe ma Jerry Justice na motimi nkei. I'm glad to be here with you again in the year 2021. The rest of the years now, it's been amazing having you on the other side, listening to whatever it is that I bring to you all the time on the radio. And I'm believing and trusting God. Say 2021 in so obeka ye home. Na ya sign Ashia Bumua kopim say afiwe so ebekọ awieye de yesre won nchen ya ne se obema ya hoden ene enkwa. Yes, de aka ne de we believe say nyame o de beka ye ho asida enkoma mu nyina ye da mu nyina ase se mo gibrati abreni abrina asida de onkoma producers no they've been wonderful. 2020 wasn't cool like that. What I say? Said the TV and you now 2021 Yametias inti yes yetias inti as that come up Papa Bills e bin come African e bin come Jamestown J. Cole e bin son come Prince na fi mema two musketeers no so afishapa nana say ampo for J and I feel so Kwame Obade. Brunya ni New Year, the Omdo you. Someone no money. Someone no money. And I go Miss Mitahani. But it's all good. Your friend Jerry Justice. Once again, good afternoon and welcome to 2021. Yes. Every Saturday, I copy himself when now to start the year, no, and you might be on more society, me be a nusuna a dog clear. Am I in what I say? Now you're quiet, you're so sure, said this is it. I don't know, you be no with vim because would him say necro. And now, oh, yeah, dear, be so said, hey, I did the unshay and me travel up a better faso. Not just say, no, when you da pa. Now, before your Beko elections, 2020, Mene Jana Chachu Das, the dinner there, Ubia boss, Papa Didi, Papa a special name. It's Jana. Many Shia, Ewujumedi so. Now ye didn't come over and never repeat. Mobekaya made it to him say, the home common de Bayanka and sign your bread. Now, another time. Yenshia na yenim komo. Now, elections are best in Konyama we be a bit twetwemu ane ade a. Nyame adomode na shafu frase. Like I said, starting the year no, yetimi hu enema bi enisu yi a. Ebetimi aboa yen ewo yanamo tuom and some of the decisions are you be making ewo bra kwantu emu. So today on the show, Yera Jana ewa ha. Yene be din komo. Ya hwe said 2020 koye. Na 2021 year radidin yeremu. This year how is it going to be like? Enema ben sa na esi etimi hwe nim kwan. Na anamo ben na esi etu. Se be ya enema betimi akototen amaye. Ene sem ahodo pi na no. Yedni na ebro. But obetimi a join here on Facebook. Ayadom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Over there no or question bia bia pese do to opani animu a obetimi around the afawaba ya beje brene no so no ya intinu pacho. Join us on Facebook now as we begin the conversation with Jana. Na yes ana we later bia na o question no very important pa na yehu. That's why I want you to join us now on Facebook. Na o comment no o de aba and yes, or share say your Hawaiian Feti studio akekene kasa nemumu no. You need to be part of the conversation as well. What I say now, or contributions no so no. Wama etimi edri enchen. Yebeji brene no so yebisem na anu ye sene fata no. Ye ranso edi amaye wabra yeguso a edin komo. So once again, good afternoon and welcome to your own show. Ofie kwaso on Adom 106.3 FM. But please tell somebody, to tell another person, to inform another friend, to inform another person. Say challenge come on about bedino emotion, and as I say, are you part of this and come on? Yes, Embre Ebe Street na Yamajana Akwaba na fi yeden komatwetwe na hyeso. Opani mi mo Akwaba.
Yeah, properly me Joseph.
Na empobu to say
Onyankopon adaroma or the nature ahoden o.
Great. Yeda nyame ase said na make no earlier no before you beto aba na yehia edi nkomo akra.
Yeah.
Na obibi nema bebre ani so e kire ye na yetiefo nyina na yakoto abawie obra na eguso ayekọ ye nimu yi. Na nyame ncha de watimi de area 2021 mu. Dedi kama mimi sasa question we. The other day, money clear to all of us. Onye sofo, and also onye dunzini, and also onye papa kramu. But what they are say, oh dear, oh, ya chese, utimishe, and yamam who said, dear, Kikan yama bumwana, oh, baby, ade kwakusi. Now, me person me bisa question we. People like you. Anyame amamo sa adomo akyede we motimi anya husuahunu ahodo ne ade atimi ehwe ne ma ye predictions ne ade ma sa ne ma ntimi babamu ne aya se empanifo bi no mo ayede omo atuatua oman ano se ye yi president Kresi nche kra na ada figures bi no mo a omo ye heads of institutions ne ade. Sometimes in their decision making, I contacted some of you people. Say a beer and you be a kwamu da ho. Ade we say and I say, do they seek permission from one more? And yes, a permission, no permission ain't yet the right way. Like to seek consult. Yes, if you one more na.
Yopa me da say, mama mao afinshapa.
Afin kometwe.
Afin so wetiefo nyina so yema obi bia afinshapa. I have my group of media anymore transformations 108 foundation for some memo nyina afinshapa. Yeah, no kremuno. Yeah, we have few friends in both the political system in Ghana no.
Yeah.
Of course krebi ho me na mfofo. Some of them nyom nyina. Some betu na mo bia na omubisa say bia o Jana me pese me be say what do you think about it?
Yeah.
Nyom nyina. And I know so bibia na oye very serious leader no. Say nipa no anya hwe no owo ne doctor ohwe no.
Okay.
Dodo na so wo mo lawyer fo aso munya enya legal issues bi omo na yeden a guide omo. So I will assume say yes. Omo won krofo a ebi omo ye high advisors bibi ni a ometimi approach omo for advice. And anya just ordinary onamu enkomodie nko say looking into the future all that no definitely no omobe won krofo a bibini a omotu na monko omo nchen so say me kan no I have few both from the MPP and NDC side that me know for them they knows what I'm capable of. To be near Omubisa, Jana. Yes, say many of them calling Jana, what is happening? Is there anything obviously that boy guide me for the whole year? So yes, there are some people like that or more position of society and I am almost a guidelines, you know.
Okay. Now, Yanshe, Yakwa said now according the order of Yakwa said that is the norm. Once a year comes to an end, that is where you see men of God. Omo title near prophets. Na a honomono and comshe ahodoba. And the other day I was having a conversation with a of Kumchurch and Bizan said, why is it that the whole year ni now year round nyame and in the makasa? Na nyame adi fuenti nyame ni omu ninkomo just omo atwen this 31st night in the pan sana sadi etimi ambaso. Aya sometimes so won so ho na utie sa end of year prophecies ni bi na eba before yewura the new year no na what tititi bi ni na some I fan crofo bi hu we be say that aya na wo de toto won so de ho a wo feel say
yeah me brapa nye me da say em say the amana koko hia say afe no eba be kwa wie a amonfo a so called omu sunsum nsem on pese omo de nsem betu gya kwa ese o ye ba be she afe fufura ase ndi even cross obi kwa ho no ye adwuma bi a adwuma bi o ye no afe no ba be she ase ya obi bi e say resolution for the year
yeah
obi kwa o ha our plans bi aba na ware sem e bi kwa ni suku sem amonfo make plans from the beginning of the year eno na ama I say amonfo bi so I say omo say omo yesunsum dwuma no
yeah
omakonza ko hia say this time people are making arrangements towards what is going to what they are expecting within the year. And you know, this is the best time for us to tell them what they should be expecting. So I think say yes, it goes along with amount for intention. So you be see from then necessary and I'm so-called prophets and so yeah the omo. But unfortunately me say me transfer me tie nsem ni bia ebi o ha na e masum chen. You know the India ban say I've been saying this all the time, and prophet be organa bia na ot de make kan o no kreka for no obemu say de make no ya de no kre and they say there was so many ways you dim your informations, you know. They say your oncrophobia o ha omo da ye kapa o say oni nyame ni nko nkwa sorry
okay
but onya so da ye bia e fa ho a ebam so they are expert in dreams.
Okay.
Your oncrophobia o ha omo intuition e kapa onya dwen obi ho kura pa bu na nipa na frɛ ebi obi ho asɛm kwa ba ne tima pɛ no nipa na hia
yeah
bibi be see a omunya start sense of a answer na bibi say si onye nyame ni onye sofo any gift or one no and ankofo bi wo ha bibi be see a etimu flash o man said they want who video na bibi on kwa sorry onye sofo so they make say there are so many ways knowing things a bit me asi
okay
me problem ne say osofo a prophet now sing Yankopon aka kire me ayana me pese me tia say ade said we am na wo kasai ena Yankopon
eka kire
omo ana ayesen you know because I am a psychologist now me say yes metaphysical things no
yeah.
I know say about 99% of them no enye Yankopon aka kire omo
mama figure ni bi
me say even more than 99% no
of the prophets no the omo kachre
no
it's not coming from God directly
say tire me no okay say ya me no say
yeah
say obi ka say you just now when I say me because you can see me and you know say this
and I can hear from you
can hear from me say no because and when I dey kasa no kasa Gianna because I'm here
yeah
but you see you know ebi ameka me shedan yachi manim unnim me voice and ebi a kan mayi wa no na obi kasa ya je when I kasa ya so I no kweka for pa na because in fact nipa no or kan some de ba me nim nipa no
yeah
when you bomb me din I mean say you know me and you can see me or whatever it is you know the American say Yankopon the Almighty God who created the whole world which I believe in him see his personality is so great to say
you can't even see look at him in the face
very difficult almost impossible communicating with God now we are sa brabona you say omu bi namu no almost lead those life no the say those who are able to communicate with God no and you've been a bekan chero se nkrofo we ni Nyankopon kasa. Their life will depict the true nature of God himself.
Meanwhile, so for you, I can
mean, baby, you know, and possible say, fine, I mean, there's nothing like impossibility, but it is very extremely difficult for God to speak to anybody or some trying who we are. The person can live any normal life to say any other human being.
Oh, no, only call India.
Only call India. So the American say, share, so what's Sunday as also for. Now, we're studying much as I would die. Na you do 2020 2021 na odaya wanya for the year no oba beka na ga say me osofo asumasi me da kampa so this year we na maso ho daya me expect ebisi a me no any problem bia we osofo e bia wo intuition very high,
yeah,
so you can sense things far away before they happen. I can
sense say bia BBC
ebetimi deep down your heart no what study your home what analyze your home to win say me anytime I sense something like this and BBC na esi,
yeah.
And you are telling us, say, we intuition today and say, when you best pet here, I don't have any problem with you.
Okay.
Many of them, use ghost and the year, Juma. These so-called pastors.
Ghost.
Many of them. Don't want to cemetery, rituals. Don't want to use some for.
Wow.
A bit of use Motia. And a bit of use angels, both good ones and bad ones. The Oba Bontanas, you may also for some many angels in the year, Juma. Na angel na chere me say 2020 when e betimi asia I don't have any problem with you. But when you ka say Onyankopon aka chere me the way o ka no e na Nyankopon fa me ko ha e na Nyankopon bi say
wadi mi duwa no no se me hwe sa de we
masa ni nyina no eno for me I know it is not true. And they know
one warring adekakra wo ho no say baby Nyankopon fa ne de ko si ye na obi na ni mo hu sa de no so for ba no so Nyankopon ni ko si wa mo no so bie na ni but ono ehun ni differently. And the same God no is he communicating differently to say his people or what?
My senior brother media me can say on wo kasa say ya obi bia na bia encommon ye no the person might sit down insist say nka bia nko say my man dwin the papa kan say me hu ye no bonzo ba so na odidi what.
Yeah. And there we are here saying any attack when the beba say
we all human beings ya ko suku kakra ya dwen no ndasa nti obi ka kire me say Nyankopon afa no odena ko gina ba bi odene ko ha see if God want to speak with you obetra ha ya wotie nyame be bie wani you be in Ghana in this room and you can see things in the US. God doesn't need to carry you to the US to go and see what is happening there.
Yeah.
Ade ase na Nyankopon fa me no ode me ko ha and obi away and obi sa me question ni nyina no ye nsem bia me I find it very difficult to believe in. You know why? Say, see, 2020, with this election.
Yeah.
I told you that I was not going to mention name here.
Yeah.
And I told you, said, this is what is going to happen.
Yeah.
I don't lie. Menya prophet, menya pastor. Name we use the numbers based on the constellation of the stars. Now, I'm more media for me, blame you know why? See, 2020 almost at 31st night.
Yeah.
Almost can some about 2021. Sankrofo ya can some be 2020. Today in Tina young conco be almost say also pro who can say ABC 2020. Ebrana what 2019 and I do another 2020. Who can say anything?
Yes, our man is
the way now mamma was a become we know a better yet in wedding. So it has an idea Periso now. They will minimize the way
down on Saturday.
But the fact is Obabeka 2021 Umisana about 2020. And then he had the freedom, the liberty to say anything. On the 13th of January 2020, multimedia here. Our Adum TV, Nana Yabrefune interview me. So he asked me again, I know say we are numerologists and something through this. Then I was expected this year. So I tell me I make a be about spiritual. I tell people I'm not a pastor, I'm not a prophet. Men can say nyame enemy I can name nyame bo ni wiase ni wiye no. Or the stars no assisi positions bi. Bribia emuvu ekwa animu ekwa chire esheki eyeden ni nyina wode ye chire. Te say dey wo yinkura ase no. O papa on more watch. But obi say that abo say o hwewem si ya pa o say abo to up there. Am pa be say ketam na abo because say the omu nim di omusi. omo weather forecasting
omutimi hwe ba bia wi ana akoto na no
they
o
will tell you the time even dua bi kura si ba bia ni minu na du se do adu no otimi cheta abo say ampa na time no
yeah
omo ye weather forecasters yi omo sumo ma fidie ko nwie ma pictures e de be ba no e be kire wo say ensuo betimi ato area ha na etokra na be thunderstorm and e bi kura be drizzling because the position of whatever they see there will tell you.
Yeah.
So for us, we depend on the positioning of the stars. You depend on the numbers are your womb. Now your team actually said because of the numbers we busy. So on that 13th of January, I said man can be about COVID-19 because I didn't see anything of the sort.
Yeah.
But I remember very well, as I said, the whole world economy was going to crash down. And when I read the comments, some people were insulting me. I remember the star says Turkey. Now earthquake be so high, now it's a 5.7 dB. During I think March or maybe a few months, exactly within that period it happened. The prediction said about California, they were going to have earthquake, and they get into September, the whole place was going to get flooded. It happened. Now woman said the UK was going to fall. A great kingdom was going to fall. So what? See what happened to UK? And not only that, they were saying the UK was going to have a new king. So the point was, said they're going to have a new king before 2020. The Mameno will be in answer. So, and not because I am a prophet, but no man not actually say when be say. For us, the yakano nipa. Even though you see the stars or more calculation, no, ubet me a mistake a crap because we are humans.
Yeah.
But when you say Yankopon, I can't know why. Yaminim nenim chilenim dapim on your mistake. The idea was in Yamenaka. Samamua, you are actually encouraging people to disbelieve in God. The Abanasa now, yeah, so for now, make a prophet in a year, market in SMP about what was going to happen in 2020 Amamuno. And Crophobia Omonia Masumunino. Most of Mukutupa and pass on because I am some Vasobi and so. Because when I would be any more saying Yankopon, Mocasa and Muni and Muno, and some Mocas Yankopons or Bayano. So it means that I Yankopon Udintro. Now, bear the second higher one, Sasso for basic 8. A move for say, Mahamba Bewene, a move for say, and under Bewene, no means Yankopon catch them. But we are no dear Siano. So Yame Ben the catch away. Nyame be na catch you, yeah. E ba na sana na ye si Nyankopon atwetwe. So this what I'm saying say, we your suffer. Na we dream ka, we intuition ka, we use angels be, we use dwarfs be now be
tell them the source.
Tell the people say this is the source of my information. Nti ama na ye ni Nyankopon ni any qualms. How ka say Nyankopon na ka you begin to discredit God. This is my problem. And yes, I mean, there were so many soothsayers, there were witch doctors, there were so many sources.
Yeah.
So why don't we tell people the source of our information? But actually, I mean, rather, I can't call India. Nah, sorry, some issues to be with them. So I was going there every year, me prayers and other things. So, men in the coy. Until you say, maybe a vegetarian, I've been vegetarian for many years. So your choir no, now it's very difficult getting food for him to eat because baby any choir and I said, Omonya na muadi ewo. Basta na chinchin ya na kokunya hotel baby. Na me so mo pepe omo odo maduane na I will join them later. No me aso for ba komako 5 na me no mo choir. Me choir no, ostofu kese a owodin me kana so wa ha you be shock. Me choir na o ma 7 no wa whiskey. So many people know say, oh, I'm a chairman, not the chairman. Media say me didn't man your whiskey say that mintimun new.
Sir.
And I am telling you so for Cassia, a month for dinner channel. Bribiano, a hotel Marco did no crowd whiskey. Or no whiskey and tell what it did. So Makuma Mono, I mean, what he was looking for is Obenya power to do healing those things. And there are divine ways of getting this, not disturbing God. Many avenues are. So I got whatever he was looking for him. And now, sorry, me catch you be shocked. But not on whiskey.
Oh, Kromwa.
I am telling you this. So, we know, Obegina Bontino sing Yanko na Kasa, I am tro. Okase be o miko India na be a mammy angel be or your divine angel on your bonnet. And I watch them a deal when you're doing a mayor, men I don't have any problem. But I was saying Yanko Pono Kasa, no, you are calling whiskey. It is not possible. Let it be by me ho. Or send out the two of phobia. The one day be on us of no one pum. Muguso moyo be mani I mean memman one on your call na obi complaining say or situation bim Also for no bomb pie man or phone so no doubt so. The lady told me, "Yamin the minitro engobi and must be
whilst having the woman.
While having the woman and yana yenio or bomb pie man ni panel phone so." Yes,
so Jana, I mean, in a situation like this, such prayers do they don't even work at all?
So you tell me, say, Yamiti Empire, but no two ways about it. But what's off for at this moment? Ebia will use some dwarf. Okay, somehow, and in that mood, you know, it is very difficult for you to be able to even approach God after sex. It's even recommended say you must go and purify yourself and all that. And inside the Bible, was some dwarf will be on
yeah.
So they don't give a damn about whatever he does. The hands of Obomudi. So tell me, say yes. Many spirit be here, Juma. Anytime they can help me. You don't tell me say Nyankopon and no Kasai because you are actually on a woman who is not your wife.
Wow.
So the American BC and say, "Me are not suffering paying for." I mean, there are people that I can even be their servant and serve them because me, I don't have any position. But I feel say they should begin to tell their followers say, "Quite way." And no information free because of them, Christianity is becoming very, very unattractive. See, I'm telling you, so be piana or Yakitoni Pana Kumamu or see awesome Christosomono. So what had you when you now am I feeling very bad?
Definitely.
Christianity is becoming since I say Obibiana or Pastor or Catholic Christosomono. Easy to bring so many following.
Yeah. Because
and Crofono Mudik is so many, they are messing up everything. See, see, because I know say Nyame ekura to me. Na Nyame to me ekura no bibi no ho ntimi mfanye.
Yeah.
But man nipa kwan say nipa mfa ne pa anya de ope. So you and I are point to say the domanim no. Be very careful. Fair and small be kan ha about 2021. Enye Nyankopon na yi bibi a kire me. Even though me die very sharp.
Yeah, be ba the other day na me pese ka ye borem ne ye hwe how yours work. More multimi use numbers ni stars money ade but make us here be ko anu mu a answer be church me be tia because it's not easy understanding it do na bre no ko yes enti ye be bo wuram ni ahwe this year ye nyame de adom ye say na ebesi akwa afa ne ade but a quick one on sir prophets for you on issues ni ade I heard earlier say ebinum wo hono mu a based on the source of power kwa use the year whatever it is that omo ye no say omo make prophecies be about you omo timi san wo kwan bi obetimi afa so ayama san commission na wa shafa wo ho se bia wo bewu ana wadwuma we be say ana wade be say na wa hye san kom na fa wo particular person no or bibia spiritual obetimi aye to make that thing ebi so na enye genuine ade anyame na eyi ache no but owo tumi bi otimi de ye masa ade no eba mu ana enyawo
brother me the pastor obi sasa asem we see me kan chiro bibia na esoko osofo ebe hye won kom say see de me kan pa yi
yeah
it's not because say me no I even have time say people should even come and see me I'm too busy say me no o hwe me kwa unyame but see afutu we yi hwe obi bia na onim sumsum sem no you were a chebi wo a black your friend jargon obi bia na ono yesunsun juma the person will understand these terms
okay
say a show boy and our car send be to so they will send that hat e be di wachi kopim say the omo kan no e bebom they man say be o kan say bridge we e be bu this time na opesa amanfo hu say the okan wo mu a he will send that hat there the bridge will get broken. Say the beya, you because the kind of bem. I mean, say Ghana hay or more that realm. Or suffer back pen and meanings of that realm.
Sir.
Nigeria, so I know about two or so for move the same hat.
I had any wine or sorry.
No, I can't mention them like that. And many of them, there's this sword, I find the sword of authority. Also for Biana Bones who create the sword of authority, and you should be afraid of him. No, I mean, when you be able to call my sorry, only once in a blue moon on Bones on Bekura almost sort of authority. Now, the Bones on Mukra sort of authority beyond on Bekura, a cow horn and Triabang. Many a times, on your ordination, on the oil, the oil, look good on the goose, or on the wine will be try from. Sect us off for no or cut as some for one. And yes, it be a yamin, I can say BBC about the sea. Or no, the person created be no be created. And you know, but many of them no ekasa hunu no moka. Ono ankasa enkura power bia. And obi anyi bibia nkyere no. Do de na adwe na aka na keke no sa no ka wa mia bibia anyawo. But these few asofo a meaning to more than rank no. O kan bibi di fa ho. Enye se nyankopon na se e ba bisi. Ono no oba be criticize ade na ma. Do question say what can be? Is there any possibility on one baby be a manasia now? Yes. But now so for be and was to me, only few of them have the power to say something and create it, even though it is not there. Or that and also. But a big organa has especially those who have the sword of authority, our Muzaka 100 ordination, they have the power to create situations when even though it's not there.
Wow. This is serious. Anyways, about 2021 now ya share what this year holds for us. But ansana no matete says some of the years ni bi ho a aye near me etimi sisi was afin mu no. The following year no etimi toa so ne ade a. But ade ba ko ebe ha o manfo adwen say coronavirus yentimi afa anya 2020 na de besa be rura 2021 mu ne 2021 ya na yewura mu ade eguso battle anya bia no, are we going to see this thing die off so quick? And now say this year you know sa de na besa de akini asa twafia.
Yeah, in fact I say Meka said 2020 13 January mene multimedia ya bedroom for your interview no. That time no na asofu bibia keka so yare na kra na nyeden enche acha June obi kwase June so be turn na nyina ko.
Yeah,
I remember very well say enough prediction they say COVID-19 be ko forma it is 23rd of September. So I go back and check say time ben na other countries as omo bi omo borders are na plane 82. It was around September. Yeah. But that forecast they say even though I be form within that period you know, but getting to the end of the year no e be sia pagya ni muswa 2021 year uramu January up to March, things will be more difficult. April be okay.
African I to mam one next say na intino echi mo abo echi ayo.
January up to March and people should be careful because the except of 2020 is still in operation. Then they do April be okay like financial no be say ni yare kwa bo se be ko for akra. Enya wura mbe mu pa e be se apagya no ho. So by the
the end besa yare na
nko with
any hardship na
all that no. This year we prediction me say e come beba kese come beba no e be kwa atiri
na amanfo nso so aye this year the my year of hwan bebe na bebe na yomo stickers de dada
because
my year of hwan improvement my year of double there bebe na mkro
papa nyi dey make an say January to March, no be more difficult. Country bit say EU no UK no, or economy no e poto. America economy e be ko from kura no say ade bia na e be ko America no effective as
yeah.
So the US, UK, EU kwada on be suffer more up to March. Then when you remove April, no matter has especially UK, they will bounce back compared to say America. You want the UK be bounce back a part. You be rame more. You be saying your issue kakra. Then June be July a little bit difficulty. Then you cost September so the whole year 2021 no. Even though any bad to say 2020 no, but there is nothing much difference here. Won't be I say. Because you're free. Oh, my example be. Sabi I will ride the boat. I will pursue.
Yeah.
Na storm back. Now was a free steering. Na I say gigi. Now woman now was also steering back. Storm no hold here.
It's stabilized.
But I'm saying we steering. You know you be able to you know right through.
Yeah.
They had to say 2020 no steering free and some because now and number 4. Don't forget 2020 20 plus 20 be more 40. 4 you know my foundation, you know my ambition, persistency. By 0 you know my I say permanent sleep and that's eternal rest which represent death.
I say I stagnant be no.
Yes. So 40 now you know what your foundation no. The 0 is shaking the foundation of human society. And that time when I said what you bought to na preocupa na won sa akoso steer no.
Ene na ti 1 year by 1 me year no fi
one no about 20 next no. Don't forget say number 2 actually represented destruction. representing obstacles and turbulence. But so can you know the bomb 2021? Number 5. Number 5, how much change? How much freedom?
Okay.
So this year, people will be expecting to be free. But because of this, all old systems will come or will be crumbled. A new system of doing things, will try to replace old things. My baby say, or maybe Anna or more president and president they are for a long time on this year, the uprising, you mark my words. Because number 5,
uprising.
The uprising, the violence and natural disaster in this year, adults, because there's some planets be your friend, Saturn. Saturn will enter into Sagittarius, and anytime we be seeing health issue and economic issues will be very difficult. So there are so many problems that I bear to say a lot of difficult because the new system will try to overthrow old system. Ebana sana the sa uprising no ne sa no na tembe tutu abangunu and deba because it's number 5 and people will be expecting freedom. Not only freedom, but freedom for change. So we know a lot of issues. That's number 5. But because of one idea, one new leadership, ambition, all that. But the negative side of one, a selfishness, a arrogance, a pride. So when people are trying to receive change and freedom, no more pride and arrogance more, and it kills never. So 2021, and you're bad as 2020. But people should not start thinking so like we are free BBMO we know. There will be series of difficult like the way our predictions and they cannot all these things will be happening. And you know one thing in this year, check forecast now, the possibility of third world war starting is very, very high.
Third world.
You know why? Because I'm saying a great leader might be assassinated in 2021.
A great leader.
A great leader like
from which continent?
In fact, what check here or say, where we can be, I'm not say be a country and come on and a best study from allies. Like country anyway, allies. So that's where the third war will start because there will be an assassination of a great leader, and that will start. Be a best said the third world war. And I call there be more issues war, but the forecast and they say this year the Israelis they will try to attack a facility of Iran's, and that is going to start a very huge war. I've been see about the Middle East order.
Hey,
Mr. Maker, I know somebody that online, so people can refer me to it. They make I can't tell me. And I am basing my information on the constellation of the stars. And this is not the first time me who we talk about this, and I hear about 97% of what we say happens. I will be other one follow me actually knows this.
But Jana, such things, is there a way though nipa there supernatural, but can't there be any ways be able to me to curtail it and I be bring it to the barest minimum and I be bizarre?
See, the attorney said, Yankopon aboni wias or the Marana abo wias. So, Obintim can't say about Bompire say Memensu on Todd da for the whole year. Yes, if you have a Bompire say on 20, a bit minimize it, but any better.
Yeah.
So, what it means is God Almighty. God Almighty. Otiem Paibo. But on one Muna was a mother say, Winnie busy. So, for instance, Abia was term say, Abia this year. My main people from Bia Bontin say Nipani Benya car accident.
Okay.
According to the person's forecast within the year. Nani Ponehum. So who say ya na obom pie na oye bibi fan atonement. Accident in a see. Baby ordinary link be and be trying na ya. Be away then is a more buni a POP. But the accident cannot be eradicated. Yes. No, I mean 2020 there are a lot of people are members, I am what I'm forecast for the year. We are fear so instead of me I'm starting tomorrow for all my members.
Okay.
From January to December, what you should be expecting. The whole year in a summary, and you know about your career, what you should be expecting in your career. What you should be expecting when it comes to your health, your relationship, and then month by month, January to December, what you should be expecting. I do free for my members, and tomorrow I'm starting. I'm going to do for them. And yesterday they go down many US group, they are more than 1,000. Near Zoom, so they were telling me about some of the things that now were more focused. It came exactly. There's one lady and it baffled me, even though I did that. But say now I've shown a land be for about 18 years, and I be free so. But now we must say around September, the land be a washing no. She never thought of it. And I say within that time, she had a call from Kofa Busiana or Magiland, no. Say, or my himself, modern land in the man back, or a big crack. The woman was shocked.
Wow.
So it's like, how is it possible for you to even know this? And you mean the stars, like I say, when we could see, when they see. So maybe I within this period, you know, you should be expecting this. You cannot say medium and I make a money intermediate if you know. When the star says you will be experiencing this, please you pay attention to it. So 2021, and there's one good thing in 2021. According to the forecast, you know, this year, and on bet me I discover medication a bit to me cure cancer. It is in the forecast there because of the aspersion of cancer and other planets, you know. This year, Ombenya cancer drew a bit to me aboa cancer a bit
2021.
2021, that's what the forecast
is.
There's going
to be medication,
medication. Cure for cancer in 2021. That's what the forecast says.
Wow.
So there's a very, very good news for the year. And you know, I'm for baby cancer. I said there will be medication a bit me will be all cancer and a bit me cure in 2021. That's what the star says.
Okay, but now you show we the call far cancer ne cure now coronavirus na now there's vaccine
yeah,
but part of the world no yeah, but elsewhere I started man for binum but there are concerns binum as a yesru one here radio kwa anye bia no uhwe wiemu a is it safe say vaccination nipa be edin ho behim
me bra panyi de tell say with this vaccine abay if it is within me my ability say vaccine I won't take a me I will never take it but the omba be ne say e ba be bibi to say obi up to kwan here yellow card o yellow card and say o ma vaccine o take vaccination before no be
yeah
so covid no ebeka ho so obi say wo tu kwan na say won't take the vaccine of covid na won't mean tu kwan because the yellow card no must be stated there te idea umpe everybody will be forced to do unless they also tu kwan then even though me I have my own concerns as a would me say Jana one can take a decision I would say me this vaccine up to date I mean too quite all this while because I'm a quite better testing and I don't want it. You know?
Anyway, my decision I'm take I was one for you.
But a bedroom baby we are sending people to understand.
Bedroom we are now
the powers that be they control the world. You know, people should understand this. Some of will be or baby bomb pen and but they are not controlling the world. There are powers that be. They say we will be a watch series like movies are when series season 1 2 like that.
Yeah.
Series be lesbians gay for. You know why? The people who rule the world want people to begin to accept this.
Yeah.
The movie Bianca and he acquires the gays in Gomos and Abishim.
Yes,
because they are trying to program our minds there. Lesbianism,
it's
homosexuality, no, this is a normal thing that everybody must have. The whole year movie. Now part in one fast they will make sure say they will crumple you down. So you go and see all this power, I mean famous series here baby. One working and see baby kiss your baby that because this is the policy. And they control the world. So the vaccine, whether you like it or not, it will get to a point and say unless you'll be forced to take it. So media men can make name unless they want to buy. Full plane now, they'll be
vaccine Casano. I am not yes, corona de crana. So be near the ones and uncle fools through Ankasa in the first place. But this one in particular, Ankasana, right from the beginning, yes on way
and the thing I'm telling you, sir, the old way of doing things, it's actually going to change in 2021. There are many things that among for experience any argument back 2021. So vast no life. Facebook live, what is my personally I'm not going to say so much about it because the world is not controlled by me.
Yeah.
There are people that control this world. And in the beginning, you might say it, but one tell them make us a me what the choice to choose that. I would say I'm not going to do it. By bana kodu baby say obi bia na obetu kwan. Is a part of yellow card.
Yeah.
And I travel all the time, so I'll be forced to do it.
Yeah.
Until that time na me obi na me na my year to safeguard myself. Because people obey.
Be no to safeguard yourself, no na. Indeed, say, "Edu on my any yeah.
Follow COVID channel. Uber who said there are some figures somewhere. They are doing so many manipulation when it comes to this COVID day. And painful beyond the rule world. I mean, we are saying here, yeah, president for but I'm telling you, sir, they are not the people who are managing. The real there are people outside of Ghana or managing Ghana no mama. It's going on everywhere because the powers that be, they control the manipulation of the world. So Omaka say when you obey. Omaka believe no more can say even they want to depopulate the world.
Yeah.
They will do it if they want to do it. They will find ways and means of doing it. Until no buy no buy correction was fine going to munki or back or back where we won't be question and function properly. Young guys are corner and quiet, but can be so they will do all these things. So we just have to hope say the world ahead, you know, and no man be minimized because a come can tempt them.
Okay.
That one nobody's going to stop it because it's part of the predictions. Some of these things will be coming. No more individually, no, we have ways and means of safeguarding ourselves through whatever way I need. Say, but the world is not going back anymore. And no more worser and worser compared to what happened. See, no more this year, now for complaining. As we going on, no more difficult. Unless if you own compared now with the previous. As I own who difference, but compare any baby trauma, you know, say no more say more. People think say, oh, I think we are seeing it and I know my more advanced but I'm telling you, say we are not saying say more compared to the before. See, mobile phones so bad so 15-20 years ago.
Yeah.
One person tweet the number come up 50 good team. Okay, expect this space over number if you team keke.
Yeah.
Only wife number with him. Yeah. Wife the number him. So also package up phone. I remember about 15 years ago. Yeah, small say from Kranko Kumase. Will be wouldn't the number, wouldn't the address, you see the person.
Yeah.
And they will come back, no number. How do you see the person?
Until you call the person crowd to be sure say once and you will be
say more. Yeah, we are I think I am more advanced. No, we are saying say more because all the good things are no.
This is serious. Oh. But generally how things are going to be for the year 2021. What boss wa be far away Middle East one year there near Yakobia. Yem refi.
Sure.
Na yen share focus on Ghana. Now one particular area me person they share say first media no.
Yeah.
And yem fan say entertainment industry na yem fan ka ho. And pempi you know end of year no prophecies ne ba e bitimi be fire ho pa na this year journalists for central for we say na ho ho bi be say we say benhu na fe na dampa na kokwa na ade a ebu on so be hwa na ate afaso ebu na nwumtini we be say na we be say na we be say omo hye san komkom na anya bia this year 2021 the entertainment industry, the media saying ena ewi mutie for us.
Yeah, in fact, what I know so far in regards to normal machakeno, the media in 2021 no ever receive a lot of attacks from the ordinary people.
Yeah.
And what it means is because you know now misinformation in the system is going to be more than before. You know why? Because this is number 5, and number 5, pussy freedom. So everybody want to say something.
Okay.
And my predictions or my calculation have not shown say any person be ABC any who and BB. What I've seen something that have to do with Joe Biden, the health. According to forecast, there will be one planet in a star. And normally it's here the ill health and then like difficulties. So I know that my said. Say one shiny health year based on the cancellation of the star now. My year US ebitimi a new president. Even though Papa Nana on our winnings is here. The health.
Yeah.
Because based on the calculation, Obenya.
So it could be saying the health be failing.
To the point say maybe an
because of that
that I saw that. But say Ghana be a man who celebrity be an I've not seen anything that to do with death. They mean say the media will be faced with difficulties because there will be so many misinformation in the system and they will receive a lot of attacks from the ordinary people. That's what I've seen.
There's this prophecy in fact, that man of God, a lot of people are worried because looking at where that prophecy came from, a man a prophet, Salifom.
Okay.
Only the NHS say your finance minister.
Okay.
Said the old king, or no so one trying health beat me a feeling.
Okay.
This year, Emma, you beat me a lose you know, and you be an what the tougher political you know kakrana a also area also to say.
Yeah, in fact, the American personally minimum bakro the kodia man who ye. Or no way in your Jumanache.
Yeah.
And you know, ABA. Daibi no aso ana ebia oni angel bi na ye adwuma no we ya kire no but menim how was kan no say nyankopon da aka kire no ene makasa so yo bekasa bia no endale no no mpe bi na aka kire yen nyame na eka you know because nyame na eka bet at the end of the day no na obi so eka different with nyame na eka so it's possible. I mean, like I'm saying, soothsayers, witch doctors, they all can see things they said and it can see. Until maybe who be about him. I'm talking about the finance minister.
Yeah. So
whoever said say be a nipa no be free manano. I see who said crime bands no fire on your information. You know, people can speculate also. At times the can be up to me just by say maker. Me name the source of his abilities and now to me kura no. But say the makano. Many of the problems in upon the car, you know, or one can send him say, and you're not correct. They know. I'm telling you, say, the CA, or so for be
some repeat
or so for be or say, Yanko pon the catcher them, say, Nipa the case be a true or son diet, the intuition, and as they be a spirit be or no more judgment, I don't have problem. Or say, Yamena kind means that I may know to I can say, whom you are who in or Yanko pon yes, our communication or mobile. And se se ama na kwan se on kasafa ho a obetimi akeka bibia didi matem ba okotra ne closer to mu a on se de papa ne kan ne kore obwa nya me ne kan de me kan osofu bia na otiem sisi e memfa se me bu mu anim tia omo ye mpanyimfo se me but o se nyankopon ne ka kire me sei no ni pani so obekeka bibia ope ba okotra ne closer ta papa so no kan ne kro nya me ne kan bia me son dae ana bia me intuition ana bia me angels bi ne kan by God Almighty. You know, okay, Bhagavad Gita was Iswara Parama Krishna Sachid Ananda Vigraha Anadi Adi Govinda Sarvakaranam Karanam
Corvesk Kakrina for free.
You know, I say Iswara Parama Krishna Sachid Ananda Vigraha Anadi Adi Govinda Sarva Karanam Karanam.
That is any crack
Yango Pona Yasumono. Nekasi ye Neni Huetiano. And you're very easy to say, Obi Bia bet to make us a meaning and communicate this. And you're possible because there's nothing like impossibility. But looking at all these are so funny binum now here they will almost say and I am telling you, there are different avenues and channels are information free, but not the Ishwara, the Almighty Supreme Being, who is the beginning, the middle, and the end, even though he has no beginning, no middle, no end. That one who is the cause of all causes, the proprietor of everything, no. He is not the one who is directly communicating to them. It could be said through their dreams, through some kind of to maybe through other sources, but not God Almighty. Because the person doesn't have to speak. Just by looking at them, you know that these people are in this world, but they're not part of this world. And I don't see such people around. You know, and you're very easy like that, you know.
I was talking to I don't 106.3 FM. Nah, and come on. Na yemfa inform briefly na your proud sponsors no yemfa maseda mom na fi ye babaka ya babehwe it say kra no so far the atete nyina for 2021 eden na yenye a che say niam betimi akoyi amaye even though bia the year might not be as we expect it to be, but akwankyere bi ho afutuo bi ho anamotuo bi wo ayetu a ebetimi aboa na se eniema anko yie kura na you will be exempted ana ye bani aba behwe no sisi a ye fast dama Bell Beverages enei wakofa for the abebom ye friend Bell Chapman festive season imu na no party bia be ko bia bon se bia pimu ase because I know the new party sensation in town are available in 330 and then 500 ml bottles imu. Now a special cocktail pa lime wom, black currant wom, lemon wom, kamana vitamins and so chapo, but a very low in sugar. Not just a bois pa wapum de one semino. One pack the unya 16 bottles price also at the cool. Obenya biato shops and stores and supermarkets. How do you know? Emo do pa no afre Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and after 055 538 5900. Bell Chapman for life's happy moment. And what you know today, do your farmer Dominion Herbal Powder. About your way a dry a boa mouth me build a strong immune system. I bring na on iodine den. A sign boa and normalize the blood pressure. War heart or kidney related problem beyond no a boa a delay with that pa. Ubuad or yedumaki to a beer na or tibre pa. De bia na honam ya or spiny. You mut me to 2 hours. Stroke diabetes no. Ebomodia e pampam no ifi wasetena mu obenya bi ato wo me tonton habanu wo me afana baby a dodo pa no hwehwe Angel Dominion Bar Center sha kwan omo won kokko nyesa afre 0543 158 195 and our fee 020 429 6449 na dodo bi onye bia no yebema onsaka Dominion Bar Powder, your number 1 immune booster. A first day on Yemfa Emma Food Lovers Special Fragrance Rice. We a moi dewa kwan strong koso. Na all the prepare rice meal biana. A ko ye kama pa. And to win in your usual or regular rice no name a Food Lovers Special Fragrance Rice. I just say it's just one new 2 friend from man for now bana be tasting so items and pa. E de ye kama pa. Tibomodia PBH kwan if ye market baby I be obia or say system na a feely. You don't want to say omukwe mu na offend kan wodwumedie so yetimi e de ebre wo and then you know ohwa bre na baby adu no enka yeti asem we de betu honfo and na asem we de betu honfo ni na jana de be mayem na said the watetete 2021 afi mu nsem binom said de ebesi akwa afa no utu ahwe yi esese wo ye akwankyere bi wo mo ne ade a ni nyina no ode aman na ye de asori so jana enti se ye nhwe yatete nsem na
yeah
na ebi wo ha not so pleasant because said na make earlier no asofo na dikan de almost stickers about that man for the abobo mo ka chikura oh my year of goodness, my year of double success, my year of what ababebri ene so yi ene am betimi apiapia afi mu so na aye no bibia we edien ena temamufo te say ye no ye betimi aye so that even though the year might not be as good as we expect it to be, but ye betimi afam triumphantly na bibia akoye amaye
yeah no correct. In fact, first thing they say obibia no ebebo mpaye e ka say mpaye boy what means they say ohu say onye biase nyina tumi wura na obi ewo ani ma osesen ewo ahodin mu and into no you should seek the person's guidance until you be oginyam sumu dia the best thing we Christo ni we kremo ni we Hindu ni we Buddhist ni whatever prayer all yen all the time you go ahead and do it. Secondly, Nam said this year no standing for freedom and change, you know. Make it sure one can make good use of your freedom.
Okay.
Because the urge to be free, not to listen to people, not to be restricted, or not to follow rules and regulations, and very high because of the sense of the freedom. To you nipa, be very careful. Say, anamu be able to be ano. Ube analyze when we say what will be the repercussions of that activity. Anamu tuna wutuno. And I'm somebody can't have been who you into. I'm going to ya dear later. But no, yes, people will go out thinking of freedom. Ombe ya idea and for Munkosisi. The idea Bible, I told you, say 2021, no, and yet so bad. May kind will be comment to us, a man of little faith, please. The word of God is alive. Put yourself on it than stars. Because when him say stars in Yankopon Aye. So when you say Yankopon Aye stars now, Gobe say, weather forecast castle in Super Torch now. I guess Yankopon stars no boy any case in Super Torch now. So Yankopon Yansa or their minds and find someone and say, you soon say that with him. Do I say a comment the war, men go for boo and show one. The comment was in Yankopon me Judy, Macofa boo and me, where Jimmy. Nyangopo nyansa no de ama wo no. Who make good use of it enyamsom no.
Yeah.
So the stars were created by God. And then Nyangopo ka na actually say we anyway say the tear anything that semen kon no poison no poison abewu. Ka e ba onko gyanim say me Kristo ni ntimi ngu ebekum wo. Tin wan ko gina ka animu a e kese Nyangopo nyansa o de ma wo no. Who isu ni ye. Hwe afutu amema nkrofo ni say bompaye you're very careful and amobi na utu anu ahwe ho so ye. This year the edge of freedom and change no is so high. Bomadi so betima didi mra bi so. O mra bi ese wodi so bia no wodi so a ebeboa ma 2021 no atimi akosu yamam. But omo California, maminka bibi on the 25th of November.
25th November.
25th of November here this year. Momo California as na making.
Okay.
According to 25th November, Mercury will reach Sagittarius on that day. Trade with all. On that 25th, no
African, put it down for me.
There's a possibility of a very serious and great earthquake in California because these two planets, will aspect and it's negative and a create natural disaster.
November 25.
I ever happen around California and that area, right somewhere.
Hey,
time no but the stars saying that.
Jana, we are. But let me ask you this question. Anyebia sanya maniama wenu nyinaa and this is the star we say to say ne besi na when we this number this that no. What will make sanyama wenu not come true? Say bia another force be something might happen and it will cancel sanyama wenu. Maybe some powers that be.
It's true.
Maybe some cosmic power be.
It's possible. It's God Almighty doesn't operate based on rules and regulations. Or no, on what the mirror argument, so you can do anything anytime. But you see, Obi Biana would do a cashew. I want to create a cashew. No, I am from. No.
Yeah,
we can tell that person say. Who cash you bear 200 acres. In the next 5 years, and you can become a millionaire. There must be a reason of you saying that. Because when we say, well, Diana cash, you know, the way I put your bunch, no. So, of course, the next 5 years, be a millionaire. So, the stars, no, actually say, when busy. The Yanko Pong Kazangazo may can be a gua, it will happen. Because Yanko Pong Branibino. Okay? Yaman say, in Swanto the whole year. Any sane person can tell you say a combat to me about because unions was there obedianoma.
Yeah.
And in terms of it means a combat to me about. So when the stars are positioned this way, they are on a cano. Unless in your miankasa epe no kasi obekete. Just idea these things will happen. Nemuma heye and the empire bona na mo yebetu to no ebetimi guide. For instance, me as a person, the whole year no because me use me date of birth. Me dia ya wo me de to me. So when your chart out be created, who created your chart with your name and your date of birth? I bet you say because of that you wo bosome kro afi kro ne time kro ni din e de ma won the cancellation of the stars in way as we expected. So me as I met to be I have many bad things in my stars as well. I have to sit down and deal with them. Me I know to because say na me bo wi ase.
So you mean the day you were born,
the day you were 30th of December 19 something, I'm not saying that.
Yeah.
And I didn't they told me. So me draw chart
now. Calculating in numbers. This year and shut down once.
There are few things that means that we and yet. So now no, I will sit down and see and how I will work like in my star. No, actually my timer. I will have an accident. I am not supposed to say this, but I'm saying this. Driving, so that time, bear within 14 days. So me do that time now. You know what I will do? I will make sure I don't go out. I'm a spiritualist. You know, the star is telling me within this period it is not safe for you to drive. Me challenge yes, I sit home, I do more studies, so that time we are.
Me pacho yena. Me dear mami na. Me so says I don't know when you bet ofie kwazu papa me shede wo
my mama another ba ku bia o say the forecast no e kire ne period bi enu kwan say o drive no atwanya ma aka 3 days to the time na so there o see o 2 car o do US o say ade a ne car ne ye But unfortunately, nothing happens to her.
Wow.
See, don't play with the stars. Oh, don't play with them.
Yeah,
because
don't
worry, I'm going to get the whole thing for you. Everything from now to the end of the year. Before I leave, I'll send it to you right away.
Okay.
And I'll go through there's a lady be. Another say the forecast no. Also, I feel you 5 years. But last year, the woman said at the end of the year. Obenya Juma through a friend. She sent me a message yesterday. Said, Jana, I was not expecting it. Exactly as we enter December. Through a friend, I have gotten a job by pay. If you are I can't even believe it.
Wow.
So the attorney said, minimum. Nature knows you. Before I ever seen nature knows. So those who have access to those information, why don't you guide yourself? For me, I don't take money for doing this. I do it for free of charge. Because say guide now to move. I'm
not for a request to number there 8,000 you.
No, in fact, OBBI now payment number. The best thing is that you go on Facebook, search for transformations.
Don't let him leave here and then you'll be calling me pon. Now we be share me na Jana papa bi watete me san am so opani me ne kasa no also dia mo hwehwe na kira kwan Facebook no so do me ka so jeru de o number tinam se there be etimpam cho muntie de o ka no na monye ne saa na mo mama so munwem
me se mo say nipa wo me so no do so the best thing is to follow me on Facebook.
Okay.
Oko ha me office number ha you can contact them on bet the best time to call me and I time come to me send the number say serious me am free. So you search on Facebook transformations. Obo say your logo no I mean picture na wo your transformation logo.
Okay.
Just like the page. I am here studies. Yes, me this year me for about 70,000 people are registered members.
Wow.
May you be a focus the amano. Actually, between a month or two, we are now I will do it for them. So you follow me on Facebook, become a member there. I know some of my colleagues that Omoya charge Jessica. They give $500. You won't believe it.
Wow.
Just for your focus. But how detailed am I? They don't even do that. But I do it free of charge. I don't take kobo from anybody. Free.
What's the motivation?
The motivation is when you help people, nature helps you.
Oh, okay.
Because so let me help people. Let me give it to ultimate guide on who be a koya or chinebu shiamia. You can even say Jana. Obi Bami was here, Jana. I'm a changed person because of you. And I feel happy. You know, I do this free of charge. I don't take a kobo from anybody. Say me in the forecast for the year. Say be I'll be to me a guide on. Na mum say who say be a Junction Highway and koye we be koye we just here. No one can say what to for. And there are some few of them be who's more critical. I tell them say if you have any person who does spiritual things, you can approach the person for guidance. Okay. And they help the do according to function. So also for be can be say actually Bible be that kind of thing. Guide yourself. Time be any good. Do not stay home. Yeah, be guide yourself, and you become very happy. So follow me on Facebook. Transformation. Oko YouTube so your transformation era. All my videos are there. Ubit me, follow me, and then you get much information about yourself. Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. Jana enso beda wase pa say one ya shafi ase. We na the maiden edition of the show for the year 2021. Wow. Yes.
And I'm your first person.
And I'm the first guest our boss we no
record this thing down and
yes.
Unfold, they will call you and tell you what he said, and everything is happening.
Sure. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
All right. Enti ene asamwa yedi betu ho funu nyina no ena in conclusion no ode amaye no se yemfa enya hwe yie enti no ni na se utimi ehunu de ekoso around you se ne wa onya hu se ne sa de we de ne mi nkoba bia o wushi ofia no watena ba bia adwen ho din na wankwa ankonya asem bia eno eho ensem eno no eti se de aye no yedi asda bema Yabua for no briefly, and then when we are done, and then medical catch up say the segment no be remove kakra you know they gated kakra be mount ya first that can say ma door master and Pubiman paint depot you don't want see pa and they also on 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors so what I say no you what Turkish German and Italian technology. Yeah, they are builders our doors. You come up over 100 designs and colors to choose from. You endorse now, it ranges from exterior steel, security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armor doors, bathroom doors, your wooden metal doors, and your wooden panel doors, and glass doors, flash doors, any type of door. Be our PBano. Ubinya Eddie door master and Pubiman paint depot. Now make us say no, she say or day at all, say mouth bit me a painty one dying on a project out doing now. Mine come at you one my fair nature wet piano. A guso and we paint now and pay later with no interest. What I say? Tibomodia Buru away. Yeah, any country representative Denmark news paint. Na my institutions, churches, schools, offices, government institutions, individuals now the opportunity to paint their facilities na primpin ya na echi no motu ya sika no e dia man. What I say? Yeah, Euro standard news paint ya e kan ya won acrylic emotion so enamel road marking paints and so marine coating so available waterproofing, damp proofing and wallpaper so your wall primers, potty and paint accessories na so your Pubiman Tobut wana ujina Tobut wa woni to shop no straight. So what I say on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Person friend 0542 745 222 and I'll 050 021 2447. Na ya Joso. Police ni na dru no. Eno dru prekope. Na unya bia eboa ye ma ho etimi odin. And yes, I drew in Yeshia na Akimu be on Mwanka, coronavirus at the Akoy. Now, so police near do a diamond, your immune system no a bend at that. It I ran by a head in a coat, let the baby near the chrono. So I tell you, Pebia Chaquina, a beboy yipa. Immune system no bad, and then they are fair Arabia hinta woni peduenwa. And no akutia at one in there, you feel na. Also, wait me at the one kama. And they would when it's him away or Kanshi Drug Lane, King's Walk, Ubenya Biho, Ekus Pharmacy Biho, Udama Pharmacy, Tribal Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable about shops available. Oko Health Alert Shop or St. Johnson's, so Ubenya Binafe, Little George Health Shop, and also Tema Community 5, ABL. And here's our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na webisa Imboost Herbal Mixture, aka Police Nina Druno, a best sort of come up. As they do, you're from MTN and they also self activation for Momono, Ejiremu. Just dial *170# that's *170# for MTN Momo. One select 4-digit PIN number, na fe worry and tasa PIN number no. Na we yani see ube receive confirmation message at say Ubibia them come up, but in an unlikely event, says some message now pop up. Now I contact you in various digital platforms now as channels no, and now we use my MTN app no for further assistance. Na Bibia akoye diamo, and also take note say nay. Ubet me a link a bank account no to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. And don't forget, we there for you everywhere you go. Now, Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil. We sunflower oil. I have to your boss. I prepare na kama pa dia mao. Sebe ma we duane a one bibia ko kama. Na fe so no umpomu de ho nsem no so no agina benane. E dia mawo. It is say wo chichichi nambi. O prepare stew bi, shito bi na oya na jollof bi. Make sure so be use Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil. And on the papa no. Yeah, tips a boa mochi when we pa de na fin so asan boa ma ompum de ho nsem no so no agina yie pa ye on size speed ti de on sabe so no woto de kusifia wa managing kakra. Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil, a taste of goodness. Opedo a 020 154 3938 dudu bi ohia bia no ye the best mo. Finally, as they do from a Time Herbal Center for or the Time Herbal Mixture etachiri patro Time Herbal Mixture no na dwuma ye no 8 yawa ba ko pe for the treatment of malaria fever. Say malaria and quadia a time about mixture. Both say malaria ne basa pe na wanumu ato. Udidia enidi enye ye. And one is of Mount Saka time about mixture. Appetite ne besamba. Ubedidi. I feel good come apa. Na fe wona mo ye hojo ni ade nyina so no. Akọ na bibia so etimi atoto na nan momu said esese ekro pepe sounds ne okay and G about capsules war for general well-being science support immune system no eka ho obenya enri na bia chi akwan afi King's Walk Herbal Repatch Ventures Rick Jones and afi Zidos Herbal ni na wo kanshi drug lane afi Ekus Pharmacy by class Larry and Awedama ni na wa shaman oko tribe of Judah e wo kaswa obenya bi ho Farmer Trust on so Wager Junction and yes sir fre 0244 417 669 na dodo bia ohia bia no ye de beso mo abusia yamon rem na yama benefon kasa na fe irrigated yemfa entoa ososisia
Well, please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
That's all. I don't know. Sofo.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too. Sisi mete won catch na say.
Other for me din this Sisi Chum. Na de bia meti Irrigated Sports. There is no day minti Irrigated because meti manage na me sure sa.
No. Serious so dey tija. Offer any be.
Open program one Dede Hwam fast sports one tie Irrigated Sports Wadom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good.
Gangnam Style.
Couple. See Mikey cry they don't much jiji.
Must switch them not even can.
Kasabi no. Hey, dia be say no e bien. As I need test mic. We are adwuma ya che. Adai.
Test mic try to.
Mami akwaba.
Kwa kumeje so.
Na what to say?
Ya tumpo anu ide just. Anwemu ani ewe.
Wadu ho.
Kwa kudabi. Bronya
sound na muani.
Si kwa ku papa nya wadu.
Sound na muani.
Ba ye. Abusu ni bia me ba kra ya ba miska bia ma. Titi to bless ha na me na.
Na vi ko mo.
Ebi mu discover he o.
Say.
Minima ko bi oba kra Wednesday, Thursday no I just trouble so kan. Awdi ni magum. Wodi kokos kefra hafo. So kwa kuya so ya ba no anse pia tiko sa ne say konjonko ntu.
Why le pia wetiko?
Si ya ni ba ya.
Kaza wa pia wetiko.
Ye pia wetiko se begun kan tiko aku. Every 24th kwa ku ya me say da ho me. Ma say we kra me di leave ni bi kotum. Na me so wa say.
Eti mo kra ikra na mo pe leave na ye te asa ile ne so.
Na kwa so na me ba.
Uba kan.
Kakra bi ni mama.
Kakra ye here uba ne sen ya.
Enye izo.
Ya uba ne papa be ya. Me metia 25th 26th na metia first na metia. Say I say Christmas be my.
Just said
na.
But who say answer your for no don't know ya na motivate you na say.
La na now so am hold on to.
And say yeah they say on the jama ngwa ma lover man. Mr. Lover man what twa nwuma gumu. Ana pass so me wo fie nya na me monitor udwa gumu aso fine just say ubo adwuma. Tukwa kunya me nya na asese wa ma afi no aba betu ye bi ma. Asa be hia ti we de memfa fisia pansem kese pa ma yetiefo. Enkanka ne Irrigated etiefo. Ene ofie kwan so WhatsApp group fo ne omo ama no ne Ghana ha nyina omotie afi nyina afi so yesra omo nkurakura yesa omo nkoso entie ya akosi se afi ne bekọ na wiye na Nyankopon be mo ma ye nhira na yenso ya ye nhira bi kwaku am say yesi afi ne mo ye nhira da ma the first time ya hia ndie nti me ma wo so ne wabusuafo nyina so afisia pa baby girl ne ma me ne wo ne obia ajamensa ne yere obia wabusuafo nyina mo mu nyina afisia pa na me ma me so wabusuafo nyina so afisia pa me ma me sisi asafo a wo kwa abitifi ono me man afisia papa na abusua ne nkai nyina no mo bibia afisia pa kwaku se no de kotoko no adisi ya ma nyuta me nka asem bebre ze me ko part bia ase nkrofo sia me amu se kotoko na hoye ne sa no wan hwe ya na me se de but se
we threat bi ya baba
mo start threat me ba ndie me fa nya asem me de me de ne se me mitima aso fokuru ze de atende ne na no me de ya chiro bi a che no pore ensia ai I had to focus yes sir. You starting league Krobian goes sada. The last time Akotoko share obi 6 goals now ya Santoa eboabo no akoko. Ebe. As that time na Akotoko share 6 goals onye bi da. Na Accra has to focus aye. Enti me bo players ni nyina aba so. Na the man ni je ne say coach ni kra no ya share 6 years still na ni nje.
He was still hungry for
more goals. Just na nka yebetimi aye more players no enti me convert chances no into scoring. It's any problem. And na me hu say sa coach we ya waba no. O coach papa.
Obe adwuma no.
Kwakudia make that ase and how me hu say coach no oye coach bia oye papa na so ka players and said they win dia to so no a eye kwa
okay
what ase wanya afufu bia show mo 6 na so want me to so anko wani
and you say we na afufu wa hu say
oye fu anko ball league
asaw na na waka afufu
top teams na ball league no etu show bi say wa ya de eti me de na ase bronya de amode ma supporters le ni age me catch players ni management nyina say bronya de a aye team no e de ama supporters le ni age sa ensia no na emom omo ne ntoato aso sa na omo nkoso enwini e ma
say why is Oliver Twist no
kwaku yase nkwala ni be ko school honya sa afila no
o se no openika sai
no wan chere won say you so you about chere na utie direct
na meeting pa
amiri ade chere na me bo achire na
ode bi me o kasa na meeting na
nti so mbeko na nsen ya won to mo kwa mbaji school fees say na mo ye no
na ka kura nko e fo nya kanse
ka so mo ji school mbaji brode ni banchi
azabera
adwo dia so nua na afie mu
afie mu say did that then na no kasa won be ko school general na odwo sa agro no wodi
be so much them first state
ya ma no we bibia ni a o de yen twan go si general
it is go see cabinet wan
edu a
every cabinet by house yem
it is say on science and data what has it
because the platform the omuni abotire o ade atia no letter say no akwa mfa so chom letter ko na yem fe no tin
die den a wen beje it get prepared
and I'm saying general ketu so bantem
enye general kete
December dia no e ba ntempa nte say no wo finances nya yi no
some de awiem ba
ya awiem pa ati ase
bia besimu na meka ye say momo mani na ona sa December salary no enye no ye didi bronya meka no mo antie o say sika ne yefo ni bronya o
na kwa kudie nke
wo hye niam yi a wo hwem yie pa na wo hye niam yi a say ka November salary and say ka ultimate di Christmas oh yes it is true until December de no e ba no amanada no ba bia home a
say be da ho
na ka
ba da no nkama awie
ayo ene wa wie say kama from na ba no go fa no
wakuosu enya mi kwa na miso anu na kasa wie po say awofo na mo madoso nkankan o mo mako prepare obi aye mo so asa ya se o mayie but yes mateso se yes second cycle no kra double track ni adade no so kra no free ho ama classes ni bi I think say na school ya ye be bie awofo ema nose mask no so ne hand sanitizer ni ade intimi o mo ma
necessary
if possible aban no kra fa ne hunyim
very necessary
what school wo a yen supply wo mo ankwala de ye man discussion kotokora bi kwa no wanto nti enye classroom no kra na sia no obe wuramu a onpe bi nche ne hwene asa na ode wuramu na se kwaku what to say Nigeria yes I jump the lockdown bi in less than a week or 2 weeks nipa 30 na corona ko mo Nigeria
yes
it is enkoye
kodi enkoye na hanu kra no say eno opani kasa no wo ya say woguso hwe anim kwan say be na say beaches ne hwan no ade obebie na man mi susu mi nam beach road wi aboma dada na man say
beach
when na omo ahimfa mighty beach labadi beach na onso omu gina mu ene say na ba bia me de mi hu na meken Titanic ayi Titanic wi
na ina ko
set hemwendi eso no open yika say oso would be still na am say the mine
I see one of the beaches here kwa arrest crowd just a bad important movie. A video na me hwehwe.
So when gumu sa.
Bi na ankwala nketo ankwala.
So when gumu
omo ye pu part na ankwala anko akwabu.
Ejimi mi say Christmas in New Year because of idea ntino party bebre wi o man timi ankosa.
Me na me need choice. So I think crofo sika dida.
Me dey na money bi o ha man yes.
Bookings no ma ye ni nyina ahead.
Na hardly.
Jeko me what video bi so ama na e factor ho sesia ama me. Why? Ayi Christmas ya na ase ayi pool party. Ana ankwala na pool no enipa egu pool ni kwaku.
Too much.
Just I
too much.
Corona nyasam ketwa nyasam ketwa we don ka osaka video na Jeko ma woso ama ato wo sesia kwaku de wetima hwe mu phone so hwe asen krane
no
ankra ha ya
enti yari abai na wanti
kolegono de Jeko fato na manfo hwe bi kolegono me me ka se nya Ghana na me se ye bo fameye anwom wase na me se da bi abrochirefo emmo fameye e o pool party asesa wo hu kwada anko
no anai
so atia fo de mumra Facebook video no eda Facebook
no
mumra mama hwe se kwaya fa so akụ corona ni dia.
This is bad when I party my friend them say go change living legends living legends
yes
I think for join you on Facebook na mo share video. In fact this is bad.
We have living legends.
No when we there operators of South facility they should have done something about it. But why do you allow lots of people like this there? They will pull when this no
unless I'm catching me say corona and that fine. We have living legends.
I will for you na ja o ma we na to go.
Money pia we catch us go.
Look at this. That's why they get and you corona kwana. When you be when you say zoe dey say
omo adun so
ebi mo so mi against no
ko mo be mi omo
so don so mo ma ba ko be boa na so ko be so so mo be topless and this so
omo ndu be mi so dey boy si emi.
Oh, this is bad.
Ghana haya
atie for nya say ha ni aka say no, but it is bad, right? We are obi a oye eya the friend
say yes and come
we are bad time. In fact, we are young to see your child amongst and go when you say, oh no, this is not good. This is not good. No.
Let you corona. There's some kind of see us and call you. I'm never casting.
Debbie. And then one of them is just a corona.
Many countries see.
But this is bad. If one is somewhere forces say as some president I can hear. That is my word because papa no but TV should be kasa kire de bia say yes as some no can so that is not what is happening on the ground.
In the crowd who should those facilities but
the only place I will say nose mask no sorry say who ko shop bi mu akoto ade and now ko banking hall
some few pharmacies
actually asa the rest look come on go one shop face mask
na what was be the swimming pool
can you go oh no
kokunos mask the swimming pool
Charlie it's impossible Charlie this is bad. This is terribly bad.
Say. And I'm going to discount it. Maybe I'll discount.
But you Jessica, so think about the people. You are only, thinking about cigar now. What you pay?
I am very. And the problem is, I'm not so quiet. At a glance, let me say, me try to you can't call any military. When you say, who can anybody use a gun and you and so I give a poop one to very and so I see you are not going to be very good. So what is it? Now, collect your bed, so I do so. It's about corona. So, when you are like so many. because e won su ni mu sumi a ebi be ko wonu ko ko de bi ka o ti ase so you be o tan sumi a ebi be ko wonu ebi be fa
na be fa su wa su ade na se sumi enzu ko ko ni
so what you say eti yeso so no ebi be ka krebe na hospital here they know I da ya ho and the numbers are not increasing and eti akole no
in fact I feel so sad about
it. I'm sad crossing we ma sad crossing eti no ye nyina fa ye hunni and all the we speech na obeko o ma bia obeko
I have been saying this over and over again every year bias as me kasa me say I am waiting for that day I be no mampani and o kan before komu a obeka say me de ba me ba I am going to make sure say emra be ye adwuma komu that will be the beginning of our success say emra ye adwuma de e fro ni de obi beba be ye ne developmental project how do be ye ne nyama enkosi hwe because we say emra ye adwuma be effective bia. How come say a whole president will address the nation? No, say measures and media good council near a person BC area no quantity. Yeah, say. Then the people are doing something else. I don't get it. And every now and then, obesa baby mo asani ababi. It was sometimes I know me who say Jama Papa go hano because look, everyone all can say and I'm making. They me di mani nwe na make. Go to Titanic and see. I'm over Gumuchi, so say I want to do me, I want to do me. And you for them making sure, say, and brandy because I did way by you. Look on for show my edge to me. Yes, edge to me. So they may make me a more day. I take control of the situation. And why can't we enforce the law? Why? That is why that's my worry. It's not me say. And to say, Beno, you make us a media, my man, Ryan, me 4-year term we me mama contact trace and brand word man am dey be contact trace we no want to me be mo amen
contact trace numbers
I don't even know what's happening now
Atibaku dey enough of corona na ya twaso kuma say asante kotoko maka ko pin ko Sudan akakobon Africa ti wish them work as say but ya do dey hu mo mo say ko fo ya be show ma ko na mo ko hui kotoko so na ono kwa we na ne to apopoi enti ye bom pa mo se mo kwa enkosi omuye kotoko branding say de ne kwa nyame ani muton kwadu a we in America flight ne menim say chartered flight and say den ye say no mata de ne green sa na ya seat ni so green kama say efe pa ke say ma say santo kotoko but atade fe no enshegu atade fe no enshegu na kwaku as a senior researcher fellow no hu say yes ya from some
as a senior day
I feel ready for that.
So that be.
Oh, me send no message as na my studio as I feel you be simu. E ni jai.
That be me o say ya me tia as o say research but ti dey ka o say why dey.
Oh, Kwaku.
Oh, me tio.
I feel we no. Enya sa.
E matemi da sa. Na emu no. O dey ka dey okay. Nti wo say wo ya dey bi. Oh, e bia wonya baso bi ti no. Ma me nya na me so me ka maka bi dia transfer.
Say research fellow to say me adwuma wa hana. Beta bre crofo research no. Yes, ya fufu from.
And I can say no. As a senior there.
Ah, feel dey o bo.
In don't go.
Safia yes bi dey for samo. Kwaku I research be won say I can but npa bebre ho a entan koso say ema afafuru a normally no say hormonal changes ba na bi mutinta so bi hu ye wei o ma ya asene ade ewe o mo ne ade enti mpamu agro no the last thing a dodo na ya ba o ma dwem
enya no kre
research so be tie ni nyina ansa you can't just take a sentence and condemn the research
obo ni mo
tie ni ye pa ema no dodo na tie ni ye titieni ye
omo chichim minim omo friends say trimester say one hono first hono na ya na we ani nye sa de no fi change but onya twa anu ni wie na na oh sa time no there going to me wrong
atiefo ATM ya opam me ma omo yire no nyim na mpese omo ne omo da na ma no se da bi
na me ka se first trimester hono there
impo me ma mpo ma no poti ase no na me ma no se da bi omo suro
say me ti obia esno obia ne se de ne de tie
na me ka se
oba bi wo ho a ne ni se ehu it is our ban saying who be man who be our word
complications and bet my institute my research
you be or complicated I don't know be man who cry no e say do ye oba no cry kasa fa
research no utie wi na analyze this and
okay me
let me finish it utie wi na analyze it and research no so what I say research ye wi ye wo enema bi wo ho a ye kasa ye ni say be say ye di say be say
and on your friends so senior researcher
you say no be me research exam so na me research aba no o be me exam so
and am say sa ade ne friend saying
kwaku ni nyina me say me na my research
the margin of
kwaku
oh me bo so still
ka wa say mo kwaku research no de tre say ma afafuru a omuhia mpamu agro pa
necessary
omuhia pa na emfasode bebre na woso ama abra omafafuru sa emfasode na mepesa manfo hunu na amotivate omo na makoso adi mpamu agro impo abra amhokafo no afafuru
okay
kwaku say dem ka no ti ase
yeah
and say eboa eti about time no stress so the man here then say
sex in itself na nkasa
no reduce stress well e be also wanya oba papa be ma stress
na dating necessary say unya oba onya papa ko have sex inside
as if you be do jalwa to
and oh jai
kwaku
ade ne nye uko house
we a two way thing the ntia me bo on say a two way bo akwada na oda yafunu mu no asa bo ne ma me so it is akwala no timi stressful say baby ni so can be stressed out onu wo yes anu a
na say akwala da yafunu mu a whatever it is that the mother goes through no
the baby is like
esa for be
it aya amofo furu na amonyam because say ebeti stress so eno wo ho na kwaku ikofo bi wo misconception bi say impo kwaku don suro litimi kwa akopem akwada no but anya no kore
ye wo
kwaku anya na bi ada no untimi nkoho enkoya fi wo uza kwale bi okwese ni na ni ase keka komu anya say na ne papa ene na mameda no di pimpim na ni ase anya no kore
na ba bi o hye no na
how dey untimi nkoya
but just that ye wo
so any complications there kwaku minim say momu dey abokwa chire but hey but I don't say
money na o nkomo na we
mbetimi akọ
the omu ne say there are some positions bi ho a oba fa yafunu na do certain stage bi a sa position no en say onene have sex with that
position
oh that be tie kwa me man woni na en na onim ye wo o de ye ade akuma program no so na say ye wo
this year dey set maybe done so the to wa
okay fine ye wa to pan bi wo ho a ye move for more ba
I don't know what you want
that be kwame e serious
and you about to pan
that be nka so about time oba opimfo that's the word
about opimfo
it's not about time it's not opimfo
you what you say you opimfo to pan
yes you from move up opimfo so
adentia emusia na say emuduru
isa ayi baku ya jata edi animu jata edi animu
jata sa ebi wa jata edi animu
sa ba ko no ma me nu mic na me kan chi
Omongo star Omongo star
oh sa enu no say no oba nyem na ene say na say nyi say na person
oh kwa there be answer
oh kwame jai jata dia no
me doctors na here research no am the chest only complications there bibia obetimi oba bia onyem kra ye bia no obetimi
ode na me ka kire wo no wan hwe yi
anya advisable say oba onyem na wo de okese akoda na furu ne so na
etina me ka kire o say oba pimfo de enye style bia kra na say one ne eda
ene kwa kuma ya pimfo style na say e kira de
enye style bia no
to hear the style be na be bo pimfo
me ba kuma program no so Wednesday.
So you say it makes easy recovery, make recovery easier. Or one hot on in them. So it will be our nyamano, onya be man and that what was so. So or what hot on in them. So what you say? Or recover from birth and them. So what you say? What you know? We are. You have to recover because you lose blood, you lose a whole lot of stuff. And see, so you'll be a sex during pregnancy now. Or recover them. Sing obia.
Because also we na or koye because on the honest or
I'm a kondi say I'm a chance to cry and na kwa kusa I'm a kono what is the best time to see the mako
no bia ne said say oba ewo na wagina ho a na wahu said the ade no eye na sometimes we bedu kra na wo kra no ayana asawa num
nti be ya mka se mehwe a menhwe be
ayana asawa num
me mankom wa
sa de no yes obegina hwe but aspect one a ayana ato vim so na ayana hadwen bo se yes owie sa na say ye na umpese
ogwago say ebi wa ye twa om na say ntware dia say after 1 month kra
we nya ni twa no say o chim push na ugina ho
na wo say ade na bre na kwaku ade another thing so say elowa broad pressure no broad man pressure no cough
why is sex during pregnancy no
so onyem pena BP costro naturally onyem pena ama BP ni so kakra but obi onya sex ama BP no e ba form
sex na nkasa na eye ne mo bebre eye ne mo bebre oh ebisa papa no
ada papa beso sex better
si visa papa no sex eye ne mo bebre
ana kwaku yase omo was tibia nim kura so a you know atenka no e wo soro e obi kura na nkecha ansa na
no but do you know esnudio bi abekentia but generally women are more sexier when they are pregnant.
Oh me, I don't mind sleeping with a pregnant woman.
And I make a choice they are more sexier when they are pregnant.
So there be say omo ye kese when we are around we so omo to no move na hye so nti we obi a we are idia but kwaku say obi wo wa na yire nya akase I'm pregnant say kill on fa na ho kan bi onko say obewo
on fa na ho kan on fa
because I am misconception the brewo mu trim so ya
bi o kwame enti na me ka say so obi ani ni fi asem no obi wo wa bre ansa na ade ani to mu no
that is why we are educating them
bre wa bre ansa na nyi se no e beto ade ni no kwame me say they will not take that risk hey wetin me minimum obi a onya ya na ade na sa besin onya enti ba ko ye ya
any complications
some enti na me catch us no bia ni fi asem no enti ba ko ye ya eto mu no straight to call house ni kunu so when you are sleeping here no baby no home
and to better 9 months now
down on tua no kan na sa yi na wotema me pese me bo hospital ni din and what that was lady no crowd unim no po de I am
actually complication for no
or the hospital was we crew team on die compare say owo ya ansa na obafi hwe wasa na sa atan wa begina say ukobu atopa
ne krakra no say and then research no say ya yire no ma na say your girlfriend say for afura aya ma yem fire ho enkame say ebo mo pa utie mfa so dia mabobo so ya just say ebo pa kwaku over the weekend so patapa I worry ne yire bu fita na voice bi amede ba ya mintimi mo na kambe boss mintimi mo say omubusa ne say identity Ghana for ma bebre
o say ayi bia ya yi
patapa onya correct
sa kwa ro akana kakra
as I say anybody ya
man no akana kakra hey busy akana kakra pa
miss anybody ya won pe doctor
also say ayi
question ya obusa we kra
enfa tonga no
enfa tonga
o say tonga bia
aye tonga na obi a ugina wa yefras unse ayi no reception e cost room and ya twene ko gina nchen kakra za crowd so crowd for ni to crowd
no so ponu na e ma free e kakra mra
ni otie question ni wie no me fo se bia ohome no akanya nsasem
o san sese indomie me bia o ye indomie no wa na na yo that boy crazy
but I had this on your bad me at first I thought it was a joke when I saw the two of them for the first time I thought it was a joke we say you have for various reasons what I say but you must have come around and say yeah congratulating you say patapa dey well ni pa
ti mo hwe bi mo ko ona on the Facebook no so why
and when they went in
on the hero blue
white city na African when na why say church African when ko chase
white I need the
African pa only chase and so na hair cut ni so ya some kito and
busy
fita when I'm more first way
but see lady no so or a journalist so on so that question could be that question
I said foolish answer foolish question for foolish answer
and then question on could be question on one journalist I don't know patapara on him say ma online even the question was a racist question I can say this before I'm say one more we now patapara worry I'm talking about the most important thing. So you come. Me sure say that man enu kwa dia ma wu akoka. So me dey patapara say na empala so enti. Say na me ya na ehwe online. Oka sa pa no go. Wa pa do mu. E mani ni o ka ka. Enti ba dia me exercise. Na me na pa dey dem. So me am so e wa na obi e straight. Patapara. E ba pa ni ni ba ko. So me am so dia me dey ehwe. Eti patapara interview ayi say na so what ayi bia I feel the Biama was Baba is I think I told me while I didn't know because look again the question was a bad person. Yeah. Uncle Pekwa want to go on because Matapa worry. The most important thing is that's it. So you as a journalist, you just have questions. I don't know. It's a busy. When you have a power or never have cars. Now, I'm a Patapaka crap. I found one. You just said I'm a fire. So they bomb and Morris baby face. Oh, yeah. He's my friend. In his life, not a day beyond him, I'm a come out 9 a day. What try bizarre? Me. Why bizarre? Me name my 4 better in a day. A day and a meji. And I just hope some myself. But the chance not me two on me sex be breeze. Sex be break crowd every day. We are my girlfriend now. What is sex be me nyanya ba kuna me tumbo ase ya terrorism ni dia na eteso minya uma me ba ku bi na emu ye na me oni onya number ko me ebi wa boso me kwa na o move ye oh dia kai se ne ye da ho dia ye nkomo asa ne ade emu ana ina etuamu da asa ade na sa da bi me pe asa da bia wo da ma be se na asa na mframa bi fruit Morris said now only a man and 9 one day not on mother. But Morris Crown also a fine boy. So oh yeah, very fresh boy. He's a lover boy. And now apart from a fresh, no sound to tone one who's a master persadian or 2 love songs or some produce gospel songs. A Smith. As I expect by Smith now, Morris Babyface. So okay, yeah. I mean, I did for a taban. I mean, friend to free me how you. Because I'm now. Oh, me kind now. And if Morris works, baby, I mean, it's not on no limelight. Sometimes no be a producer who produce quad day, who produce Morris Babyface and George is today. Or say day. Say. My phone what try that. George. Me. I am my for me. We go remember. I don't know. Obi one David. Yes. Me. David. Obi one class for. Me one kasa one Obaba ko pen kra no. Wo wa ba na. Time na me timi o de. Me ka se sia o. Titi na o. And me se me titi nu kra no. Eno kra na me ya branch. We go kumenza original pa no. Eno kra wo Obaba ko pen kra no. Me ma mienu miensa sa na enanka obaba kwaba there be sound me say ma ho this kwa e yan kola no sometimes we try to be adventurous na ye nema but don't dey faso bia mabru na mutie no sa de faso bia enko ha ho kopepre ho person no oba we da person no oba we da person enfa faso bia bre wo ni me hwia ka ko fodua enfa faso bia pictures beza be sin no da so se fridge me what for was ya na ni na nyame che oba ku bia ne ho dwo kama ba kwa ku say nya obi tu yasafu yi kran ka bia ka yamranti be me betu ebo asa na me kan na me kan oh say me am afin pom aka ya na ye ya sugu so say egu masu ene say yeah so kwa ku because me no onye edi ka ma me eron ade bi no na chese e ma no onye nyi che me so it is omo eye me say wie no na omo soro za it later no onya line no e no tu me fno so Sadia and the yes,
and to us uncle.
Anna.
Kwaku, as I watch him, Bessin, only shall go back.
Now I owe Bobby there.
A serious matter, I can't get it.
Baba Fuja around.
That's what I've come on. I'm only reading from the internet. Up to date, you. I wish I go back. Papa, I
maybe I'll connect. First one, then call you okay, but the see idea you can't hear.
Besin not a single go. And on it to me, I said, as you say, one is one. Then I maybe say, I am or Bobby there. I tackle injury. Yeah, for the first time on the Fabio Gama, video ray. I can squad now they call Sudan.
Okay.
So this time say Fabio bet my Gama. On Gama.
All right.
I'm Chabako and Coma, Africa Pansam, Coma, my sister, Ruby Ajma, our working in Texas. Now, Charity Ben, Rashida, and then the rest of the squad. And start Dubai.
Bernard, say me. I was say you be crying. Say me na me ma choose we be na echi dey. Oil perfume bia ba na ade.
Okay, I want some me. O e work man na.
Nti tweme na wi na me
ya. Aya ye ntem ma mu so. Me twan work no ho. Ai bubu mu ka ntem summarize advert no.
Say the onimu ani. Na no na me hwe din say akwa be bisam say kwaku na ska kura fi a. Ska bia me dey yi. Wan frem po no wa bisa asem po na. Na wakoda so ase. Aya me yesa.
Say wo no. O mo chire ba me say. E dey obi na obo chire na obo chire ma.
Da bi enti na ase ne hia no.
Ma me na ase sia kwaku.
Oh, enye fine.
Kwaku ma me na ase.
Da bi ultimi na ase sa. O radio so da bi tie. Da bi aha. Onipa akono on pest aseda no already so
open way
it the American o dey do mic na e be kasa it na so ye me ya pa na unua ba ko frɛ me no so na di e ho abakwa asɛm te sɛn e na me ma
me fo so na wadi bronya na se me nua no mo bronya dia na
e kura na ntimi na madu bronya ade na still no on kasa kwaku o amane de no me saka na se besi na krada da
me da na se pa bronya ma no ye dem ma me papa
o de me shada mo ye ina wa frɛ na na kasa
me twa waka no
o de twa me bibia be kama na quickly you knew and Chelsea Andor Chicago Udin birthday, so a happy birthday, do belated and call Emma Chelsea Andor. Happy 15th anniversary to you. And Oma me gift Andor na fe o brother Solomon and a few sister Richarda Omuna say Omo will show well as you celebrate your 15th anniversary. Chelsea Andor all the way in Chicago. Okay. And then from there no Papa Atomin Kraka Krenti Yenfe no from na Yentwaso from Sofu Owusu Ansa. Or say Osofu Mame Mrs. Augustina Frimpong Dudona Freno Nanaya or Amsterdam. Ono ne CEO of Gnesti Zog. I hope say I got it right. Or a social worker. From your children, your husband, in fact, the whole family, they are all wishing you a happy birthday. Okay. And Daniel Bewa, also 18th birthday. And I just say happy 18th birthday to you, Daniel Bewa. Also, Düsseldorf, Germany. And he from Sofo, ya Usu Ansa, or say Yami, Unshao Pa.
I go out to Sofo, man, why?
So, any watch and no
Sofo Usu Ansa, make Xiao, Yango Ponshao Pa. I know if it's your pa, no abuse your phone.
Okay, fine pa. I feel when so say happy birthday, and call Emma, His Excellency. And there be where Her Excellency, Mrs. Amelie Olenu Ewa Isiama Edini Modu. Her Excellency Mrs. Amelie Olenu Ewa Asamoah. Ghana's ambassador to Denmark. Yeah, we show well. May this new season bring you God's best in everything you do. You are loved. From your son, Shoto, wishing you a happy birthday. Yes. And also, and then this one also says a happy birthday to Mrs. Deborah Ewuku. And there's a message attached to this one, and it reads, may the Lord bless and cause you to become a blessing to your generation. You are marked for signs and wonders. Love you more. From Bennett Ewuku to you, Mrs. Deborah Ewuku, on your birthday. Asana, okay, we also I'll say good afternoon, Jerry. This is Kwabi at Accra Toll Plaza. I want to wish my junior brother Nicholas a happy birthday. I wish him long life with good health and strength as well. Okay, not just say the Kwabi so eka eno. Yem fancy na yem preparation. Okay, ebin so abaha. We so say a happy birthday do be later then call Emma Mikunu Frank Senyega. Frank Senyega from the wife Regina Senyega of Reggie Real Clothing away Ashoman Estate, Musuku Junction. And then this is a shout out to Madame Vida, aka Mame Trasam. Yenye Mame Trasam, Mama Trasam. Mama Trasam of ADB Ring Road Central. Yes, may God bless you. Na no. Oh yeah, special mother. Minim the otro really buy mum dear, but one outro buy African. Oh okay. Oh go ADB. Heneka Kraba. Mama Trasam, Mammy, who's watch your mammy, I'm saying, Mama Trasam. Mama Vida Kuma, aka Mama Trasam. Mama Trasam, the man. No. I was very fast like I say, my pro sponsors, no, yes, sorry, so na fee. The Nyum Kakra Chichimuana, actually, the Akabia Kagum. About your MasterCard saying, can't trust the first whistle is just, the start of something priceless. Now, when you say first whistle, no, is more than just the start of a football match. That's what ignites passion. It is the start of friendships between strangers on the same side. It is you screaming your lungs out to cheer your team on. Say, yo, of course, it's the exhilaration of your favorite player scoring the winning goal. Not just a Nija Befie. It is you celebrating your team being crowned champions. The first whistle is just the start of something priceless. So don't just watch it, leave it. MasterCard and no any the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Nokia also saying can't say or the new Android phones are better, so it is doing so well. Amount for any jump. I say Nokia phone the unya the anache say baby at the amount and Nutia can for at the amount bibia and then you want Nokia 1.2, Nokia 2.4, I want a 32 gig na fee Nokia 2.4 and also a 64 gig and so I can hold. Ne board you may ye pay. I'm on more megapixels in the science, future pictures, new videos or top class quality ones per now on second. Our long lasting batteries now is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other apps now perfectly well. On second there when you bet you ye pay. For any phone shop BM or my fan baby on cyber account there. What do you need more or dock or traffic light Georgia phones are do beer we hear beer one side ever can hall. Yeah, Mrs. Obin, best what you out come on. Nokia, it just keeps getting better. I feel fast day your man Go TV was a big things are great into men set up for small things and then make sure so they choose to Go TV say they are the best football leagues on Super Sports. This said the big boys are back in town. Mess like a crowd mountain and can't Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis to be to upgrade to Go TV Max. Sebe Albinia, the best in sports, the best in entertainment, best in football, in fact, best in everything on your TV. When you're feeling caught na pabu baby, I say Ariaba. Tinefine enjoy action in on your Go TV. Wait me I connect to our bro using my Go TV app and I pay by the point and now say mobile money agent be our ben or Go TV. Live it. Love it. And that's what it is.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more ultra pictures. You spot baby. Phones here fast. So browsing. We go Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Me as well. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Giraso and is a Giraso. Check when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. NTG Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. And our Nokia 2.4. They were 32 gig memory. And our 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 with 30 megapixel back camera. And 5 megapixel front camera. It will 4,500 milliamp battery, 6.5-inch screen. Our Android 10 will be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya will full show BI bell.
She imagine pass we are driver ni no load passengers and now so near busuafo etu kwan na naju de suoma kwantimfi we car type ajo na we hosem ani mu achocho and we yempa na konfrenfo ato ahye wo so asem ye hu pa e ma bi nto da the senti e na puncher save aba na puncher save etumi sili over 100 punches wo de gun so a e ya febo en wo hia so betu tai no enu nti transport companies taxi drivers truck drivers cars akese nyina wo hia puncher save yi bia wo benya bi wo OMV and Science Company Limited. Wa crack namely. Omo no so distributors. Omo Joy FM. And the no hwe. Free 0595756449 and 0302246550. Poncha save. We save you forever.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our cash card. So charges some 380 cedis.
What send this can go charges no. Wait there cement $10 so. Me niati. Se we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Me say me network need there.
What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum ti asem dead pa. What send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are you free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network BR swap. And so you free. Masa into work catcher. What does so you done was sour network and no so move bra Vodafone cash says yeah.
Hey, masa you chip not to ball musi
I know say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial *110# says yeah in a send this.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Ophia Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
Get the party on, get the pango, get the pango. See that day where we get shy, that day where we get shy. See that day where we get mania, that day where we get mania. Since 1960, yeah. That day where we get shy. Since 1930, no. That day where we get shy. We dey do skeleton. We dey do your body skeleton. We dey do skeleton. Freaky money on your body, baby girl Pulani, you dey wine follow me. So tell me she metabolani, but the bar show they do, you they do Kulani. I say water, dirty pussy carter. Baby girl, you know say that's your body bad. If you want to do, then we got the part. Baby girl, you know you can never be a part. We dey do skeleton. We dey do your body skeleton.
Ophia Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
Baby, don't you know you're killing me, oh baby. Baby, don't you know you're killing me, oh baby. said you move from. One for we in Casino, dear, now boy simple. And I want you find I'm a sugar daddy, and me a pretty big who, being kicker, me brown, be magic, big who, being kicker. Mini baby, I call, mini baby, I call, mini baby, I call, mini baby, I call, mini baby, I call. Next time I was mini baby, I call, mini baby, I call, mini baby, I call. Passing in the money be.
This is Adome FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Now you any shake Mr. Divisor. Whoa, what a range in the Benza.
Ofia Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adome 106.3 FM.
Baby, time Lego, Master Lego, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls.
I club a summer who are Mammy Jimmy. If you be brainy, you will hear me. In the Micron, Mintia, and then my Jimmy Pizza and so Joe Moka. What do you need? Miniman is Sankika, what do you show once in the one car? Party near your dab, and what do you come? Nia Diana Gia, you mention them. Party not girls in any other. Bearman, you walk on the minty. We get now you are, but what do you show? Answer no more who can the best. Money day, she did it. Money no day, she know day. Party time, no darling. This time, Rasmus, Marshall,
girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls, Patinachi, girls in the Yaji, Cratch it, mean to girls.
Forget you be a man do when you want it. Baby, I a dog. I had a chase. My benasa me money burns you want it. Or the Kimisa, I got me happy. We never fit to this rock on brim. The Cocoshi, the S. I won't be here. Ninia Coconis, I want to check. On the one community, one brief here. Then I damn me what I am in life for what it. They like a crack, I'm dropping at it. I'm swagging at it. Me dripping up it. Oh, time me also I left back. One more. Give me one more. The point got to my head, they make a
Ofia Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adome 106.3 FM.
Couple million, yo. Give you love again, say don't do. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. On the mommy, anytime where I deal with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love. This love no be ordinary thing. It's supposed to be one night thing. But now I know they catch feelings. I get vexed when I see you with another person. No, I know they concentrate no more. Make me felicitate you, hold me tight and rub on my elbow.
Ofia Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adome 106.3 FM.
On the mommy, anytime where I deal with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. Begin to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love.
That's the new joint from the man Dada Have Co. And this one here features Aquaboy. They call it Playboy. Yeah. Inti say why I say we Playboy apacho gina ye na nya depa. Earlier afutuo na e de ma no. E mabu na mutie no. Masa sex bebre fa so bi ani so. Twen o ware a. Onu kunu ana no we na mu de agiju mani kakra kakra. Eno no kitwa bi ensa. I wanna sponsor you. You say ne we are babu no o ahode o de fani na bu musa be kakra be ka say me aba na mini you everywhere I will follow you everywhere. Listen to this message. I say if having sex those days was an achievement, some of us would have been UN Secretary General by now. Baby girl, you know that. No, if I'm given a chance, I'll go all out and advise the youth. Take me far away. My love is to stay out of sex. It's here to stay. And I hope they will listen. Wefi, Nana say Chris Wado. Hey, I'm Paul. Yeah. You got the keys, don't close. There can see, I can see the Mamuntiara. If I could do baby, if I could do baby, what it? MTN saying can't show say nays open say activate here yeah. MTN Momo phone as well. Men call MTN officer now, men call mobile money vendor be our wa bit me at if you know why you are there. All you need to do is to first dial *170# for MTN Momo. Now I select a 4-digit PIN number, then you re-enter that PIN number to confirm it. When you say we will receive a confirmation message. IHSA BBI them come up, but in an unlikely event, some message now pop up. Now I contact in various digital channels now, and now say where you see my MTN app no for further assistance. She also send the ultimate link your bank account no to your mobile money wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Ebia Christmas imu wenya achedi ebia. New Year imu so she amba. Achedi asunkumbi on mo na big ebet me edi amawo. Yes. The SOE say go out there and buy a pack of big one sensitive from any outlet be a ben war. Now what take you out the scratch coupon na e shemuno. Both a scratch pan will be or scratcher. Secret code never ban. Now I tested the call 1393. Now being a queen say obey me a winning instant airtime. Afe home and electrical appliances, mobile phones, outdoor gift vouchers. Any HDP now in 2 separate drawers. Edition so. All these fantastic prizes are up for grabs. What are you waiting for? Promo air running until the 31st of January 2021. Big always gives you more. For further details, for 0248 311 798. Terms and conditions apply.
You got the keys, don't close the door. I've been a me boy. Put on your sense. You got the keys, don't close the door. I've been a me boy.
And a happy birthday going out to you, Frank Kito. 86-year-old 86-year-old boy of Boas. Frank Kito, enjoy your birthday, boss. From Nana Kwame in Hanover, Germany.
I wanna sponsor you, my lady. Fine lady. I wanna sponsor you, my lady.
Good evening, my good friend. Today, the 4th of January, It's the birthday of Minstrel Comfort Ado Oforiwa of Shiloh Chapel of Full Gospel Church International. From the pastorate, the choir, and the entire membership, we ask for God's countless blessings for her. May you progress all around this year. Pastor Matthew Autry sent in this one. And a happy new year from my good self and my family. To Pastor Augustine Smart and your wife, Mrs. Rita Smart. In fact, and your entire family. A happy new year to Munina, Nyame Onsha Munina, Fe Kama pa. So for Augustine Smart, Papa Nyamisha, and one fish pa.
I wanna sponsor you, my lady. I wanna sponsor you, my lady. Fine lady. I wanna sponsor.
This one here says, tell Jerry to wish my husband,
I wanna sponsor you.
Jody Ban Boache of Airport, a happy birthday, though belated. And this one's come from Mrs. Ruby Ban Boache. And it goes on to say, tell Jerry that I love him, Keke. He's always laughing. He will live long. He should keep it up.
Baby girl, you know that.
You might right.
Resemblance
from instance.
Can't take me far.
At the name is Danny.
It's here to stay. Put on his inside. You got the keys, don't close the door. I feel on me, bro. Baby, I feel on me, bro. Put on his inside. You got the keys, don't close the door. I feel on me, bro. Baby, I feel on me, bro.
Yeah, it's Mike too, baby. Yeah, it's Mike too. Me are not saying. How life yesterday gusu jiramu ojo. The maiden edition for the year 2021. This Thursday, that's the 7th of January 2021. Basso away heads and tails. Bowie. Julie Card. 7 p.m. sharp. It will be live on Adam 106.3 FM. Come, let's enjoy live band music. Papa, how live dear. Adam how live fiesta. Hosted by Mike 2, baby.
Baby girl, your love lost it. It's a trying to grow. Many. That man is a mediating for this. But this time around,
and a happy new year going out to you, my good friend. Sandy Esiedu, aka the Taste Guru, aka Kwabna Jollof. Joe Bibia Bear Fire at 2021. Yeah, Ning Papa Crab, and I Papa by force. Allah Allah. And Jebiana Numnesi is he penny upon. Oh my. Me patro 2021 year Remy. Share and found in near my ACC around us. And found in the because well baby. You need to put yourself in that good mood. Me 2021. Ultra one chance a good mood naga samra. Put yourself in a good mood. One can create that good mood. You for create harm by force. And it's a brand new one from Keche. And it features Family. They call it Good Mood. And a happy new year going out to you. Me Dieta 1 David Srebo Boateng. Yeah. Happy New Year, oh, Happy New Year. Dieta. Oda ya mami Range Rover ne ba kona. Me family adwuma be 1 week pe why. Na ma side abro. Our Range Rover be de ho. Type we are basu bia Dieta peso to be. That's how they have mommy that done back now. You soon bear 1 week be out of my side, bro. Why? 2021, you am fine. That I am fine. I still come out for that. Or I should come for it. That time, remember. What I mean, friend, try you can cry now. They are not my son be parking the book. Why?
Officer with the car, Obisu Nisa, Obisu Yaba, Obi Bola, Obi Alanta, yes,
and a happy new year also going out to Mrs. Debs Abena Pokua, all the way in Faroe Island via Denmark in Europe. Happy new year to you and the family. My regards to all of them.
What the future will bring, we don't know.
Sa. Don't be moody. Nobody knows tomorrow. You have to watch a bed. Masa, create that good mood for yourself. Now, sa. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM.